In Photoshop, you can easily align your elements using any of these options in here, while having a single or multiple layers selected. However, as you can see guys, these options are inactive currently, and that's because we have only one layer selected, and we need to be aligning that layer to our canvas. So we need to be clicking those three dots in here, where we can be selecting align to canvas. And now we can see that we have align options activated for our layer. And as you can see, we have 6 alignment options for our layer, 3 vertical options and 3 horizontal options. So maybe you can be selecting align vertical centers and also 2 horizontal center. And now we have that layer exactly in the center of our canvas. Or we can be aligning that one to left or right or top or bottom, simply like that. Or we can be aligning and distributing multiple layers. So let's get that one back to here maybe. And let's also enlarge that one a bit, pressing Command or Control T and dragging maybe that corner, hitting return. And let's also select that rectangle in here, pressing Shift and clicking on that layer and also that one. So we have all these 3 layers selected. I'm going to align and distribute panel, once again clicking those 3 dots in here. Now we have all options activated since we have more than a layer. So we have align options including 6 icons, and also we have distribute options including also 6 icons. Plus we have 2 more options for distributing spaces. However, before we start aligning these rectangles, we need to be selecting align to selection this time. And now let's say we need to have even spaces between these rectangles in here. We can be selecting that option, distribute spacing in horizontal way, which will be giving us similar spaces as you can see. And we can align them to top or bottom or to center. However, let me select that one as well and reduce its size. So transforming that one, maybe a little bit like that. And let's maybe increase the spaces between these layers. So selecting that one as well, holding Shift and clicking that rectangle layer and maybe move them to here. And now let's also select that one. So we have our layers selected once again. And now let's try to get even spaces between our rectangles once again. However, that time we're going to be doing that in a completely different way. So opening our panel and selecting that option in here instead of that one. So by selecting that option, we'll be having uneven spaces between our rectangles. However, since they have different dimensions, we don't have even spaces between the actual rectangles. However, we have similar spaces between their centers. So in order to get even spaces, once again, we can be activating that option in here. Now we are getting even spaces between them. And if we need to align them to our canvas, we can be selecting that option once again, canvas. And let's maybe align them to the bottom of our canvas, selecting that option. So that's basically, guys, how you can be aligning your elements and layers in Photoshop in a very precise way instead of eyeballing them, which is really not recommended in most of the cases. You will find that file in your resources to practice on. Stay sharp, guys, and I'll be seeing you in next one.